When we go out, we hear these sounds, and I can't even call them sounds anymore. I feel they're noises. And one of the most prominent of those sounds is our horns. I came across this sticker being stuck on the bumpers of the cars, which said no honking, or those kind of symbols.
So I thought that we must put some efforts to educate people, and I come out with these slogans called Do Not Honk. Myself and my team goes on road and we organize anti-honking campaigns, and we stop vehicles, educate drivers. That's how it's become a nationwide campaign.